Residue discharge menu is the section in which you can control straw chopper and chaff spreader. First of all, click on the home screen page, the icon with the combine on the top right corner. Click now on the residue discharge icon. This page shows a drop-down menu on the top called chaff spreader spout position. Here you find three possible choices. Divide. Chaff material will be blown aside of ideal. Chop and mix. This position works together with the straw chopper in working position. Chaff will be blown in the chopper and spreaded with a straw. Drop and mix. This position is to be used when dropping. Below the drop-down menu, you will find the info about the RPM of the chopper and on the side a button to switch from chop to drop and vice versa, only when you have the chop to drop from cab option equipped. In the second half of the screen, you will find the chopper control area. The two squares represents the wall spreading area behind ideal. By clicking on one of the boxes, you can set a different offset from the other by using the scroll wheel on the side of the terminal. As an example, while doing the opening of a field, you may need to have a larger spreading on the left and a smaller on the right, to not to throw your straw on the field side. Once you change the harvesting direction, with the black arrows, you can keep the proportion of the squares and move the configuration on the other side. The more you click in one direction, the more the system will move your offset. The central icon between the boxes is the mirroring function. Click on that to mirror your chosen spreading position from a side to the other. With plus and minus buttons, you can change the width of the spreading. Both the red lines inside the squares will move in the same proportion to increase or decrease the spreading width. Remember, the width adjustment can be also performed using the dedicated button on the armrest. If your ideal is equipped with active spreader, you find a tailboard split control on the bottom of the screen to adjust the rotation speed of the spinners. Click on the box and change the value, typing the desired number. To move to dropping position, stop the header and the thrashing system. Then, click on the chop to drop from the cab icon on the right side of the screen. Now, you can use the drop and mix position that you can choose from the drop-down menu on the top. Your combine now will start swathing.